Main Square Montessori families. It's Emma, and today I'm going to show you how to make Play-Doh in your very own kitchen. Now, if your child has been in my class with me for a while, they've probably made Play-Doh with me before. They love to help, they love to pour the ingredients in, they love to help stir. We usually use the recipe in the back of the Montessori Toddler on page 234 of the Play-Doh recipe. But today I thought we would mix it up and try the chocolate mud Play-Doh. So here we go. Okay, so first we need to use our dry ingredients. So we need salt, flour, cocoa, and cream of tartar. So we need a 1/4 cup of salt. We need a cup and a 1/4 cup of flour. This is actually my Play-Doh flour from school. Brought it home. Then we need our cocoa, 1/2 cup of cocoa. And I'm using baking cocoa, but I imagine you could just use cocoa from your, like, Christmas cocoa. Okay, and then a teaspoon of cream of tartar. So then, this is the part. Okay, so this is the part that is really fun for the toddlers to participate in. Actually, dumping all of the ingredients in is really fun, but stirring is something that they can do. I do not have any toddlers with me today, so I will stir the dry ingredients myself. I think it's really gonna look like mud. Okay, so then you will need boiling water. So this is the part that the adult needs to do. I boiled mine in my tea kettle. You can do it in the microwave, you can do it in your electric tea kettle, and you need about a cup of water. Starting to look like mud more and more. You also need 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, so I will add that now. Alright. It smells really good. It smells like chocolate cookies or chocolate pie. It smells like something I want to eat. The best part about this Play-Doh is it is totally safe for eating, because we know that that's where it's going to end up. It's fun to play with, fun to eat. Okay, so once it starts to stick together, and cool off a little bit, that's when you can, like, dump it out. I don't know if this is really sticking together. Yeah. Keep mushing it together. Oh, lost some. Okay, so it's still really hot, so I don't know if I'd let them touch it yet at this point. But, yeah. That's the gist of it. We have chocolate mud Play-Doh. Yeah. This is gonna be fun. Look, you can make, it's a volcano, or, I don't know, chocolate snowman. So now the part you've all been waiting for. I am gonna taste it. I have no idea if it'll be sweet. There's no sugar in it, so. Oh, it's horrible. Okay, the good news. Your toddler may not want to eat it, so maybe they'll play for it for longer. If you do want to make it tasty, I imagine if you added some sugar, but you might not want to do that. Yeah, it just tastes like salt, but it smells really good. So yeah, that's how you make Play-Doh with your toddler. Let me know if you try it out. Let me know if it works. And I look forward to seeing you all very, very soon.